We've got a 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport SE. The radio screen is not working. So what we do is we take this whole unit out. I just grabbed onto this chrome piece and thought it was going to come off just by itself, but once I yanked on it, the whole thing came out like that. Just has a small connector here. Just push on this lever here to unplug it. We're going to take out our four Phillips screws, 2 on either side, and then this screen unit should come out, the whole radio unit, and we'll keep going. Because these Phillips screws back here are so deep in there, it's helpful to have a magnet on a telescoping pole to get there out, or a magnetic screwdriver. If you don't have a magnetic screwdriver, you can just put a magnet next to it and it'll be magnetic. It has a tendency to fall down somewhere in there, so it's good. That wasn't even on camera. It has a tendency to fall down into the cracks there, so it's good to have a magnet. Now this whole unit will come out, and I'll show you guys the back side. This is what it looks like in the back. Looks like there's just a few connectors here with push type connections like that. So you push down on each of those tabs and take these wires out. So all the connectors are on top. The push tabs are on top except for this yellow one, because it plugs in upside down, and then this one just plugs in like an antenna wire. I brought it inside the shop. These radio knobs just pull out like that. And we're going to go ahead and flip this upside down and take out all these screws. I think that if I take out all these screws, it'll be sufficient enough for us to get to where we need to be. But I will let you guys know. So there's only 3 machine screws. That one, and that one. This ribbon cable comes out. This piece is holding it like this. I've already taken out the 6 screws around here. You pick up all these tabs, and all of them will slide right out. Part 2.